The last supernova seen with the naked eye in our galaxy was recorded in 1604. What happens when those dying stars explode in a split second? Welcome to Cosmic Clips. Real NASA scientists are about to explain the most powerful stellar deaths that vanish instantly from our sight. A dying star can blast out more energy in seconds than the Sun will produce over its entire 10 billion-year life. This matters because that fury forges the heavy elements that build our planets and bodies. Dr. Elena Vance from NASA studies these cosmic furnaces to see how they scatter life's ingredients across the dark. We are about to dive into the core, where gravity crushes matter into something so dense it defies imagination. Imagine a star that packs our Sun's entire mass into a sphere only 12 miles wide. Their magnetic fields stretch to be trillions of times stronger than anything on Earth, meaning one spark could fry every electronic device we own. Dr. Aris watches the data roll in, noting how these collapsed cores rewrite our understanding of gravity before they vanish. What happens next isn't death, but a sudden, violent scatter of debris.
A pulsar is the crushed core of an exploded star. Theorists have been trying to understand the details of how pulsars work ever since they were discovered in 1967, especially how they emit precisely timed pulses at radio to gamma ray energies.
About 500 light-years away in Taurus, gravity pulls gas and dust together to birth new stars. But this power ends abruptly, leaving wreckage that matters because it shows how quickly cosmic glory fades into dust. We watch these dying giants to understand the violent cycle that fuels our own galaxy's future. Now, Dr. Elena Ross joins us to explain exactly what happens in that final, explosive second. These dying stars shape the very elements within us, proving that our existence is woven from cosmic explosions. Witnessing a supernova is not just observing light, it is feeling the universe's raw, terrifying beauty firsthand. We are stardust, alive because of these violent endings. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Cosmic Clips for a new space documentary every week.